up, guys, and welcome to episode 2 of our auto-saving draft records with Rails. This time we're going to be building out the drafting and storage backend for all of that using the Draftsman gem. So we built the stimulus controller here so that we can make our changes to posts, let off the keyboard, and it will automatically save. That's great and working as expected, but now we need to modify our controller to save drafts and to load drafts in the specific situations that we want them to be in. We don't always want to show the drafts. For example, if you're writing a blog post, you don't want to display the draft ever until it's fully published. So we need to be careful about that, and the Draftsman gem is what we're going to use to help with that. This has a whole bunch of functionality here. You can see in the features list there's a ton of stuff because drafts are actually pretty complicated. You can have drafts of creations as well, drafts of updates, and drafts of destroying records using this gem, which adds to the complexity of things. For example, when you're creating a new email, you don't want it to send as soon as it auto-saves. You want to have a draft of a creation. But if you're editing a blog post and you're going to add or change some content, you don't want that to automatically publish either. And that's a case where you're updating something. And they even handle destroying stuff as a draft state, which is cool. So there's a lot of complexity to this that you might not think about when you think about this feature. It seems very straightforward, but it is actually pretty complicated when you want to do a bunch of different stuff. So they give you all kinds of methods to help with this. You have access to your records draft.